Hey everyone, in this video, let's compare Blackbox AI with Microsoft Copilot. In order to do so, let's start off with Blackbox AI. And as you can see, here we have our main screen. We can enter in our query here, and we also have access to a variety of different chat models that we can use in order to generate our response. One of the things about Blackbox is that it does seem to have more of a focus on coding than perhaps some other models. It's not to say that you can't do coding in Copilot. It's certainly an option, but Blackbox is very much engineered in that direction. We even have some integration here with Verse Code, so if that's something that you use, then you might want to consider using Blackbox. Here we have variety of models we can choose from. We also have those there. We could select new chat. We can do image to app. We have our projects. We have a Mac desktop app. We have web verse code, bookmarks, history, agents, docs, and support. With Microsoft Copilot, we have a much more stripped down interface to work with. We have a place here where we can upload our documents that we might want Copilot to examine. We have a voice option here as well. If we click on this icon here, that's going to take us to the home page where we could see some helpful suggestions. If we don't know where to start, we just want to click on anything here, then we can do that. And one of the things about Copilot that is important to note that it is quite integrated with the PC ecosystem. So you can turn it on or off, but you have the ability to actually press Alt space on your computer, and that will automatically bring up Copilot if you have that activated. So that's kind of a nice little feature there. And while they both can do coding, again, Blackbox is much more focus in that direction. So if coding is something that you are interested in, then you might want to take a look at Blackbox. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.